Hey everyone, welcome back to another Bitcoin chart planning update video. We're gonna start off by saying that since yesterday's update, we have not really moved much. We have moved a little lower, but we didn't reach or break this little support right here, and we haven't even touched the downward descending yellow resistance line. So as we go ahead and start breaking down again what our two paths are, I'm gonna go ahead and remind you guys that remember we are on an overall fourth wave correction that has not completed yet. On the overall bull market that started back in, I think it started 2022. Yeah, towards the end of 2022, almost January 2023. That's when the bull market started, the end of the bear market, and we are currently on the fourth wave correction. And guys, remember that in order for this fourth wave to be completed, we need a clear through three-wave corrective structure, and we also need to break above the all-time high, which is right here represented by this orange line where the yellow number 3 is. We are still trying to figure out where the fourth wave is going to bottom, so we're just leaving that number there for now until we have better confirmation. Originally, we were under the impression that this was a 1, 2, 3 wave correction right here. So, excuse me. 3-wave correction right there. And we started the final first wave of the last fifth wave on this bull market. Although, due to an extensive sell-off right here, where this descending yellow line is, due to an overall extended sell-off that surpassed our 0.5 retracement line, which we took that off. It's on a previous video, but we took that 0.5 extension line off just because we broke below that quite well. And instead we made a new 0.5 retracement line right here that's taking in this entire descending structure right here. So we will modify this as the wave continues to push downward if it were to. So now that we have that broken down, we can look at what's coming up next. So due to this extensive wave, I'm under the impression that we will see a correct or final one more low as an overall, since to me the extended sell-off here tells me that this first, second, third wave correction was actually invalidated, and we're looking for a more extended corrective structure. So instead of it being a 1, 2, third wave correction, it'll be more like this. So 1, 2, 3, represented by the white letters. But that's just my opinion, and the rest of this video and everything I've said is of course my opinion, how I structure my own trades. I could be wrong, this could shoot up from here and we never reach this area down here, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking for in case I am wrong with that corrective count as well. So again, I believe we are in an extended three-wave correction, which means that there's a good chance that we're going to see the price dip down into this purple line, as you can see represented by the white dots. We go into the purple area and then eventually break up higher, consolidate a little bit at the last swing high, and then finally break up into our more of a short-term bullish price target around $76,000. The only way that will be invalidated and we actually start moving higher is if we do keep this first, second, third wave corrective move, and instead this is a 1 and then a second wave count, and then we'll do the third wave count, which can take us up to possibly closer to $80,000, 80 to 85,000. Although due to this extended sell-off, I feel like second waves should not have an extended sell-off. They should be somewhat conservative, and it should have bounced off before breaking below the 1 point, or what used to be the 1 point or the 0.35 retracement line that we had here previously. But since it broke below that, it's telling me that this is going to probably turn into a more extensive structure. But again, for the bullish scenario of this is that I am wrong, and we finally break above this yellow descending resistance. We break over that, and then we break above the 0.5 retracement and then consolidate there for a moment before breaking up higher to around that $76,000 at a minimum price target for the short-term bullish. Regardless, both of these eventually lead to the same area. They all lead to the yellow or the green Fibonacci extension short-term bullish area up here, except that one of them just would happen to delay this a little bit more. But again, that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a one more low scenario. In order for me to change my mind, we need to see price break above the yellow descending resistance and then consolidate at the 0.5 light blue retracement and then finally break higher from there. This can fail if we break above it, consolidate, but instead break down low again. That could be a possibility. It could just be a corrective move and then boom, fall back further. That's why we have that second level confirmation, which is consolidate here and then break higher. That's how I'm going to confirm that this is a true short-term bullish scenario and this purple is going to get invalidated. If not, again, that second level confirmation, if it's not met, then I'm still looking for the purple right here. So it's all about being patient. It is all about being cautious traders in a volatile market and making well-informed, again, cautious decisions as we continue with these fluctuations throughout 2024 into 2025. Either way, eventually we will see, and I have it right here, I'm going to show you guys, we will see prices eventually by the end of this year, sometime next year, conservatively make a 5-wave move up, which will lead us to around at least $120,000. But as of right now, we got to focus on what's right now, and what's right now is finally getting confirmation of going lower due to a break below this low support into the purple, or break higher, consolidate, break higher, and then that's what's going to tell us what's going to happen. So there's a few things to look for. I'll keep you guys updated, as well as on my social media. I'll keep you guys updated, and I post on social media and on my Discord starting in July. I'm going to be posting more frequent updates on there. So if you guys join social media or Discord, we will keep you guys updated a lot more frequently than I will on YouTube. So hope this made sense. Hope you guys have a great day, and please take care.